How to find rocket racing in Fortnite. So first, you just simply need to scroll down here on play till you see the buy epic section. So once you're there, you just need to click on the arrow here to expand it. And here at the bottom part, you will see the rocket racing. You just simply need to click on that, then simply click on select. Now once you're there, so once you're here, I suggest that you set rocket racing to your favorite, and to do that, just simply need to find rocket racing here again, click on the three dots, click on favorite, so that if you go to your library, so this icon right here, click on that, and when you go to favorite islands, you will see all of your favorite or all of your favorites that you've marked, and you could easily access them anytime on your Fortnite. So you won't need to always find it on the game libraries right here. So you could easily access it, and that's basically it.